Want to make people engage more with you? Listen to this. A person's name is one of the sweetest sounds they can hear. Out of all the words in the world, nothing feels more personal, more familiar, and more important than your own name. It carries your identity, your story, and your sense of self. So when someone remembers it, and actually uses it, it immediately stands out. Think about it. When someone calls you by your name in a conversation, it feels different. It feels direct, intentional, like they truly see you. It's not just another interaction anymore, it becomes personal. And that small moment can completely change the tone of the conversation. Using someone's name shows attention, respect, and genuine interest. It tells them, you matter enough for me to remember you. And in a world where people are often overlooked or ignored, that kind of recognition goes a long way. It creates comfort, trust, and a sense of connection without needing anything complicated. It's simple, but powerful. You don't need big gestures or perfect words to make an impact. Sometimes, just using someone's name is enough to open doors, build relationships, and leave a lasting impression.